Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 15th of March. I'm James Spann. Rain falling over much of Alabama today. We'll have rain tomorrow, maybe some thunder in spots, then a chance of strong storms on Friday, and a chance of severe storms possibly the middle of next week. A lot to talk about today. This is March, so here we go. This is the upper air look. We have a very impressive upper low that's currently over northern Louisiana. And you can see that very clearly in the animation process, the visible satellite view, that upper low spinning down towards Shreveport, moving along Interstate 20 in North Louisiana, setting up rain across much of Alabama and the Deep South. That was the radar composite around 2:30. A lot of rain falling over the northern and central counties of the state. Temperatures below what we expected today because of the clouds and rain. Now, we've got 50s in most spots. Birmingham at 57, about 10 degrees below average for mid-March. There's the watch warning map, relatively quiet. We note a dense fog advisory for some counties down in South Alabama. Got a risk of severe storms mainly over the Florida Peninsula for the rest of today and tonight. There is a low-end marginal risk over parts of South Alabama, along and just to the west of Interstate 65, mainly because of the chance of hail with storms that form near that cold core upper low. And then tomorrow, a risk of severe storms, a marginal risk over parts of east and southeast Alabama. That would include Montgomery, Alexander City, Opelika, Troy, Dothan, and again, mainly for the chance of hail because of the cold air aloft with the upper low. And then Thursday, day 3, a risk extending into the southwestern corner of the state. That's mainly for storms that creep in here well past midnight Thursday night. The day Thursday should be dry. And then on Friday, day 4, we have a risk of severe storms mainly over the southern half of the state with a cold front pushing in here. And look at this. I totally didn't even look at day 8 this morning on the video, but look at here, day 8, a lot of buzz about this. This is Tuesday of next week. A severe weather risk across parts of the Deep South. You don't see that on the day 8 outlook that often. We'll talk about the setup here in a moment. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Fairly wet down here, which is what we expect this time of the year. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for much of the state between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Upper low right on top of us. And again, a cloudy day with showers and a few thunderstorms likely, and some of the heavier storms possibly producing some hail because of the cold air aloft with the upper low. High should be in the mid to upper 60s. Thursday, that feature is on by, should be a beautiful day. Partly to mostly sunny, highs up in the mid, maybe upper 70s. And then Friday, we got a cold front coming in. A surface low is a little northeast of St. Louis, but the European shows that surface low northwest of Memphis. And if this solution is right, we'll see some unstable air in here Friday. This is the instability Friday afternoon. This is the lightning flash density product coming off the European Friday afternoon, showing definitely potential for thunderstorms. And the significant tornado parameter coming off the 12-kilometer NAM, the higher values over South Alabama. So we'll be watching conditions carefully on Friday for a chance of severe storms, especially for the southern half of the state. And as always, once we get within 60 hours of this, we'll be within the high-resolution convection-allowing model range, and we'll get a better look at that. The high Friday will be in the mid to upper 60s in most spots, but that's going to be on by Saturday. The weekend looks very nice. Lots of sunshine, highs in the middle 60s, and Sunday, a sunny day, low 70s, just beautiful. We'll go to Monday, a new storm coming out of the Rockies, and that could bring severe storms to parts of Texas and Oklahoma on Monday. And Tuesday, the GFS depicting a positive tilt trough with the rain and storms still holding a little west of the state. We'll check the European, pretty much the same idea. Tuesday afternoon, rain and storms across Louisiana and Arkansas, maybe severe. And then this is Wednesday of next week. The European showing the surface low near Indianapolis with a cold front coming down in here, and that would be when we would have a chance of severe storms. This is 7, 8 days out, and obviously the timing, the upper air configuration here, everything could change, but the signals are certainly such that this might be a severe weather event for the state, either Tuesday night or Wednesday of next week. Again, this stuff is fairly common for March. No need to be anxious or overly concerned about it, but we just thought we'd give you a heads up, and that's the reason SPC has us outlooked in their Day 8 outlook. So let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, March 25th, upper low that's over New England, and we are in a dry, mild air mass. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean, little under 4 inches between now and the end of March. Highs 60s and 70s, lows mostly 40s and 50s on through March 25th. And hot off the presses, brand new CPC outlook March 23rd through March 29th. Temperatures around here will likely be very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.